today's video, especially being that I am at work, but I have a flat, you guys. Lord help me. As most of you guys know, I do drive for work, and I was just coming back from seeing a client and I hear this sound. Immediately I knew it was my tire. However, I did not think it was going to be this bad. And there you have it, guys. I blew out my tire. How? I have no fucking idea. Now, I'm gonna have to spend my lunch hour going to the mechanic shop, getting this fixed, and wasting maybe about $200 or $300. I can't deal with my life. I could have literally died today, you guys, and I wouldn't have even known it. Didn't even notice that my tire had blown out the way that it did because I had my windows up, AC was blaring, music was playing, and I would have died basically blissfully without knowing that that had happened. Now I'm trying to figure out how am I going to get to Suffolk Avenue here in Brentwood from my job with the way that my tire is looking. I'm probably going to call one of my friends here at work and see if they can follow me just in case anything does happen, and then leave my car obviously in the shop and then go back in the afternoon and pick it up. But this is not what I was expecting at all to happen. Just more of the stuff that I need on my already stressed out life. Like, come on, guys, like, really? There is no way a mechanic's gonna be able to fix that, and I'm just gonna have to buy a whole new tire. Oh. Let me go upstairs and see if one of the girls are there so that they can take me during lunch, because I need to get this fixed ASAP. There's no way I can ride around this with Riley in the car. There's just no way. None of the girls are picking up, so I am praying that they are upstairs and they're just pretty busy and can't answer the phone. Sorry if the quality is pretty crappy, but as you already know, this was not in the plans of having a blown out tire coming from a client's house back to the office. Jesus, I can't believe this happened. Hey guys, so my co-worker Gardy was able to switch the tires. I did have a spare one in the back, thank God. So he was able to switch the flat tire, because upon further inspection after we took it out, it was not blown out. It was actually just a flat tire. It had like several nails on it actually. Don't know where I was driving that it had a bunch of nails, but yeah. So it is a flat, a huge and ugly flat, but a flat nonetheless, and hopefully I don't have to get a new tire. I can just have them, the shop that I go to, fix a tire and not have to get a new one, which is much cheaper, but we'll have to see, and hopefully they can just, like I said, fix the flat and slap on the tire. And that is where I'm heading right now during lunch. Yay! We do need a new tire because there's 2 nails in it, plus it is slashed, so a new tire it is. Light is still blinking even after the fact that they added more air to all 4 tires. We'll see if it goes away. If not, I'm coming back. Just got back to my job and the light is still there. Pulled out my car manual and it says that I need to recalibrate this. So I'm making sure that the rear tires are at 30 psi because that's what it's recommended, and that the front tires are also at 32 psi. So that's what I'll be doing, and recalibrating this thing because it won't go away. For most cars, you can find the tire PSIs right at the driver's side door, and it'll specifically tell you, like right here it says front 32 psi, back 30 psi, and then spare tire should be at 60. You can also find it in your driver's manual. And right here is the pressure tire button right here. As you can still see, it is, let me focus, it is still on, so I'm about to recalibrate that right now. It says here in the manual, hold on just a second. Recalibrate, press the TMS button until the low tire pressure indicator blinks twice. Okay then, here we go. Okay, says calibration has started. Home screen, then select setting. Okay. Okay, so finally parked. Like I showed you guys in the last clip, I recalibrated the tire pressure sign on my dashboard. Hopefully I did it right. I was following the instructions on the car manual. It did blink twice like you guys saw, but nothing appeared on my dashboard or screen about home and selecting the settings and selecting the vehicle and recalibrating. The little signal light went off on its own. So hopefully I did it correctly, and I'm not gonna get into any accidents. Let us pray. But we shall find out if I did it correctly. I still have to go back into the office. Now I'm gonna have to eat lunch at my desk because I took all this time to fix my car, which I don't mind because I know it's like for safety issues and stuff, but I hate eating at my desk. It's like really annoying. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Honestly, I don't think today is my day. I was just walking, paying attention as usual in the driving parking lot, and somebody almost hit me. My guardian angel is working hard today. Hey guys, so it's after work hours. I just got out of PT. Whole other story for a whole other time. As you guys saw, the tire has been fixed, and when I turned on the car after work, the light did not turn back on, so that means I definitely recalibrated the air pressure signal, whatever you want to call it, correctly. But yeah, that is what happens when you put a lot of wear and tear to your car. I do drive a lot for my job that I do. I do drive all the way to Riverhead, sometimes even Montauk, depending if the clients live all the way far east, or if they live completely far west, which would be like Elmont, Melbourne, etc. So we do a lot of driving. We have to meet our clients in certain locations, sometimes even hospitals. So like I said, we do a lot of driving, a lot of wear and tear on our car. I don't know if you guys found this video enjoying, or if you guys enjoyed watching it, but if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, when you're basically single, I say basically because I'm really not, I'm just, you know, on my own until I get to be reunited with my husband. You have to figure things out, and it wasn't that hard for me. Luckily I had a coworker that can change tires, so I was blessed in that way. Thank you so much, Cardi. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.